Hello world! As to E-News, it said to us that Giselle Bundchen is feeling happier than ever. The pregnant supermodel shared an empowering message about finding joy in life while showing off her growing baby bump. Happiness is an inside job, she wrote in the caption. Remember, you are the only one who has the power to create the life you want to live. Earlier this month, she got candid about why looking back on her past years has been a priority for her in 2025. A New Year's a special time to reflect on all that we have learned and what we are the new things we want to create in our lives. She wrote in a January 3 Instagram post, "We are each responsible for where we choose to focus our energy and for what we create." Giselle, who reportedly started dating Joaquin in June 2023, over a year after she finalized her divorce from Tom, hoped others would follow suit. As she put it, "May you choose to nurture your energy in ways that will fill your heart with love and compassion for yourself and for others." Giselle added, wishing you endless blessings and an extraordinary journey ahead. May all of us find the true happiness in life like how Giselle found it. Beautiful day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!